Are you weighing those things? Martha, it's beef, not plutonium.
Precision is key, George, especially with the reduction. We don't want it thin.
Reduction. It's stew, Martha. Fancy stew for your diet.
It's Beef Bourguignon, George. Keto-friendly. And there's a difference.
Looks like rabbit food to me. Where's the potatoes? The bread?
Now, the searing is crucial. We want a good Maillard reaction.
A what now?
Browning, George. It's what gives it the depth of flavor. Like you, after a good summer tan.
Well, I'm going to achieve my own depth of flavor. Care to join?
Eyes the wine. Perhaps a splash in the stew. But I'm sticking to sparkling water.
So after you brown the Maillarded beef, what's next on this culinary adventure?
Now we soften the aromatics. Onions and garlic first, until they're translucent.
Translucent, huh? Like a ghost of an onion.
Then the mushrooms. We want them to release their juices.
Releasing their juices sounds a bit dramatic, doesn't it? Like a mushroom opera.
Just watch, George. You might learn something. Beef goes back in. Then the broth, wine, thyme, and rosemary.
Hey, that was a good vintage.
A sacrifice for the flavor, darling. Now the herbs. We bring it to a simmer, cover it, and let it cook for about an hour. Low and slow until the beef is tender.
An hour? What are we supposed to do for an hour?
We could talk. Or you could refill your wine glass.
I think I'll take you up on that second option.